Hey, chocolate fans! Ever wondered how that silky, melt-in-your-mouth chocolate bar makes its way from a tropical farm to your snack shelf? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the sweet world of chocolate, dream treats style. From rich cocoa farms to high-tech factories, we'll explore how fresh milk, premium cocoa, and a touch of magic come together to create that irresistible creamy bar you crave. Grab your favorite chocolate treat, sit back, and join the ride. A sweet story begins. The tale of the world's favorite milk chocolate begins over a century ago. Back in the early 1900s, chocolate was mostly dark and bitter. But one brilliant chocolatier decided to flip the script, adding more milk to the mix and changing chocolate history forever. The result? A smoother, sweeter treat that quickly became a worldwide favorite. Over the decades, this bar has been reinvented in dozens of delicious ways, from classic milk chocolate to nut-filled and fruity variations. But what remains constant is the commitment to quality ingredients and timeless taste. Chocolate quiz. Time. Before we jump into the factory magic, let's see who's paying attention. What's the color of the classic milk chocolate wrapper that's become iconic worldwide? Drop your answer in the comments below. Step 1. The cocoa journey begins. Our chocolate adventure starts in tropical regions close to the equator, places like Ghana, Algeria, Indonesia, and Brazil. These countries are part of what's known as the Cocoa Belt, a global zone perfect for growing cocoa trees. Cocoa pods grow directly from the trunks of these trees, each filled with dozens of beans. Once harvested, the beans are fermented, dried under the sun, and shipped to chocolate processing factories across the world. Only the highest quality beans make the cut, carefully selected by expert buyers to ensure consistent flavor, aroma, and texture. Step 2. From bean to cocoa. Once the beans reach the factory, they go through a thorough cleaning process to remove any impurities. Then comes roasting, a step that transforms the flavor profile. During roasting, the natural sugars in the beans caramelize, releasing a burst of rich, nutty, and slightly spicy notes. It's this careful roast that brings out that deep, satisfying chocolatey flavor we all love. After roasting, the beans are cracked open and ground into a thick paste known as cocoa liquor. Despite the name, there's no alcohol here, just pure, rich cocoa goodness. Step 3. The creamy secret. The milk. What sets this milk chocolate apart from others is the generous use of fresh milk. In many recipes, a high ratio of milk gives the chocolate its trademark smoothness and milky sweetness. Fresh milk from local farms is first condensed and turned into milk powder. This milk powder is then mixed with cocoa liquor and sugar, blended in perfect balance for that melt-in-your-mouth experience. Step 4. Refine to perfection. Once the ingredients are combined, they go through a refining process. Giant steel rollers grind the mixture until the particles are incredibly fine, smaller than the width of a human hair. This step is essential for that creamy texture you feel when the chocolate melts on your tongue. No graininess here, just silky smooth sweetness. Step 5. The secret of conching. Next comes conching, one of the most critical steps in chocolate making. The chocolate mixture is slowly stirred and aerated for hours, sometimes days, in large heated machines. This process removes unwanted bitterness, enhances flavor, and smooths out the texture even more. Think of it as fine-tuning every element of taste and feel until perfection is achieved. Step 6. Tempering and molding. Now that the chocolate is smooth and flavorful, it's time to give it shape. But first, tempering. This is where chocolate is heated and cooled in precise stages to ensure the cocoa butter crystals form correctly. Tempered chocolate has that shiny finish, satisfying snap, and perfect mouthfeel. Once tempered, the liquid chocolate is poured into molds and gently vibrated to remove air bubbles. After a cool-down period, the bars solidify into the perfect shape and are removed from their molds, ready to be wrapped. Step 7. Quality. Check done. And packaging. Before shipping out, each batch goes through a rigorous quality check. Trained tasters ensure every bite meets the brand's high standards for taste, texture, and aroma. Once approved, the bars are wrapped in signature packaging and boxed up for delivery around the world, ending their journey where it all began, with a chocolate lover like you. Bonus: a promise to the planet. Modern chocolate makers are not just focused on flavor, they're also committed to sustainability. Many companies today have programs that source cocoa responsibly to support farmers and protect forests, empower women in cocoa farming communities, reduce emissions and packaging waste, educate farmers on sustainable agricultural practices. The goal? To make chocolate that's as good for the planet as it is for your taste buds. Thanks for joining us on this chocolate-filled adventure. If you loved this behind-the-scenes look, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Process Revealed for more exciting journeys inside the world's most fascinating products. Got a favorite chocolate bar or fun chocolate fact? Tell us in the comments. Stay sweet, stay curious, and see you in the next one.